I keep receiving a lot of messages from you guys on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Hey Max, you are really great. You should go back to YouTube really fast. Here's another one. Hey Max, what happened to you? Where did you disappear? Your editing skills are so fantastic. Hey Max, when are you coming back to YouTube? You were so great. Hey Max, why did you disappear like that? You were so great on YouTube. Please come back and do some more videos. Yo Sensei, where are you? Why did you disappear? What? Guys, as you can see, these are real comments. Truly amazing, outstanding comments. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. Real comments right here on my phone. Thank you guys for your support. Honestly means a lot. I really appreciate all the comments, even though they were fake and read from the top of my brain. So what do I want to do with this YouTube channel? I want to show you guys the beautiful places around Dubai. I want to do some reviews of hotels, places, restaurants. I want to show you the struggles that we as content creators go through here in Dubai, working full-time jobs, 10, 12 hours a day, where you don't have any time left for your personal content creating stuff. So if this is your first time coming to this channel, you're going to enjoy. All three of you are going to enjoy this channel a lot. For today's vlog, I want to show you guys 3 interesting places around here in Dubai. I'm actually going to have a little photo walk with different content creators. It's a collaboration between Nikon and Middle East and Emaar Square and Le Moi. It's going to be 3 different places. We're gonna go to Dubai Opera, and then we're going to go to the top of Burj Khalifa and get some interesting shots. And then we're going to go to another beautiful location in Dubai Design District and get some interesting shots of the Dubai skyline. Nikon was nice enough to provide the cameras for today's photo walk. I am going to lead the photo walk. I have no idea what I'm doing. Where am I gonna lead the group? It's about 20 people with Nikon, with Emaar Square. Let's see, that's the struggle. Will I succeed or will I fail? I will most probably fail. I know that for sure. I see myself recording a video in about 20 minutes saying, hey guys, you know, I tried really hard to do this photo walk, but I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm failing so much. It's really hard. Nikon, thank you for sponsoring this. Thank you for allowing me to use your awesome gear. The next lens that I'm gonna use, because we're going to do some landscapes as well, 70 to 200 mm. Check Instagram to see all the photos that I've taken with this beautiful beast right here. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy the content. This is Max the Sensei. Let's rock and roll. Okay, we're on our way to meet with representatives from Nikon and the representatives from Emaar. Emaar is one of the biggest construction companies here in Dubai. They build a lot of stuff here in Dubai, so whew, okay, looks like we made it, guys. Our meeting is going to be in this Rove Hotel. I really don't know what to expect. We're going to talk places, itinerary. It takes a lot of organization to put a photo walk in Dubai, in downtown. There's a lot of work behind the scenes. Baby, thank you for dropping me off.
Yay!
Okay, baby, bye-bye. Love you. See you later. Okay, that's the beautiful downtown area right there. Really gorgeous clouds up in the sky today. Now I'm at the Rove Hotel waiting for the guys to show up. I got here early. If there's something you need to learn, get early. Okay guys, so we're here with the awesome people from Nikon and from Rove. This is the guy, most special guy in the world when it comes to photography in Dubai, the Nikon representative. Are you still a Nikon representative?
I am.
He
in
is.
My heart.
He is always. He's always going to be a Nikon representative. Introduce yourself, young gentleman.
Hi, my name is Nicolo. I am a frequent collaborator of Nikon Middle East. We're gonna be touring around downtown Dubai with Nikon and our very, very special partner for today's activity, Rove Downtown.
Awesome.
So yeah, And this guy is gonna lead it.
And I'm gonna lead it. Honestly, I have no idea what I'm gonna do, but just, roll as you go, that's what we call it. So,
Rove as you go.
look at all this gear, you guys. This is what we're gonna give. So we have 2 gear packs here. This is full. That is full with Nikon cameras. I'm going to have a little presentation here, I think. Am I presenting anything, by the way?
No, we're preparing.
So no preparation for presentation, but I think I'm just gonna tell the group what kind of photos we wanna go for, what locations we're gonna go for. And of course, I wanna introduce you to this young lady. Hello, miss. Can you introduce yourself, please?
My name is Trisha. I'm from the Catch team, and we work with Rove Hotels, and we put together this exciting day. It's called Rove Around Tours, powered by Nikon. So stay tuned.
Awesome, awesome. There's a lot of talented people here. A lot of talented people. She did it in one take. She did it in one take. Awesome job. Hi, miss. Would you be able to introduce yourself, please?
Hi, my name is Mira. I work for Rove Hotels, and today we are starting our Rove Around tour powered by Nikon.
Awesome, awesome. She did it in one take as well. Nice job, nice job. Very cool. And check all these boxes. This apparently is lots of gear, as I understand it. Look at all these boxes. That's insane. So much gear, so much stuff. Amazing. This looks like a very successful fishing trip. We have so many cameras here. I love it. And we have 2 boxes of that. Awesome. Okay, so while the guys are getting ready, I don't have an extra battery, so I have just 1 battery on my D810, and I'm running out of juice pretty fast with these videos. I want to take some photos as well and finish this vlog, so let's see how it works. I don't have an extra battery, and I didn't take my charger. Great day, great start of the day. Let's go. Okay guys, so this is our first location. We all got here. My friends are exploring this beautiful space. This is the Dubai Opera. We will try to get some interesting pictures here, some interesting shots. Let's see what the guys come up with. We gave them all the cameras. They already have their own gear. It's an amazing, beautiful location, Dubai Opera. Definitely come to see this wonderful, wonderful place. Then our second location is going to be the amazing Burj Khalifa right there. That tower over there. And who am I seeing right here? Moon Man! How are you, sir? How you doing? You okay?
You good?
You good? Are you sweaty? I bet you're all sweaty.
No, I'm cool.
I bet he's all sweaty. How's it going? You alright?
Yeah, all good, man.
Awesome.
I'm so excited.
It's going good. It's going good. So we're exploring the inside of the opera, the beautiful auditorium. It looks absolutely crazy, honestly. Such a beautiful, beautiful place. So that's the auditorium here. Currently they are getting ready for a different show that they have running this Friday. And for now, I'm just gonna have to go. And for now, I'm just going to have to catch up with the rest of the group because I left them. I should be leading them. I was so caught up with taking photos. I forgot about my group. Where are my people? Let's go find them. There you go, there they are. They left me behind and came here to see the chandelier. The chandelier in the beautiful opera house is truly, truly out of the world. What do you think of the chandelier?
Yeah, it's great, man.
It's amazing, huh?
Yeah, it is.
It's crazy. Now look at that view. Oh my God, look at that beautiful, gorgeous view right there. We have Burj Khalifa piercing through. The entire downtown Dubai can be seen over from this side as well. There's the fountain, that's your Burj, and that is your chandelier. And that's the beautiful chandelier right here, and it extends all the way to the bottom. Thoughts on the chandelier, real quick.
Very round.
That is true, that is so true. I love the way the light falls here. Oh, so cool. Well, okay guys, let's explore the space and take some more photos. Mr. Ostranagan. Okay guys, we just finished our first destination. Now we're going to the second one. Let's hope we get some interesting sunset pictures from the top of Burj Khalifa right here. I hope we can still catch the sun because it's really coming down low. So the first location was truly amazing. Dubai Opera, thank you so much for having us. It was incredible. I cannot wait to go back there tomorrow. We're doing the same thing tomorrow, so I'll try to vlog it again. Let's see if we can do it. For now, let's hit Burj Khalifa.